Welcome to this technical guide on the HP AIO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your HP AIO screen is cracked, you're not alone. This can happen due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage, affecting the display quality and even making it unusable. Getting it fixed promptly will save you from more extensive repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a new screen replacement, and some tweezers. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully using the plastic prying tool to open the casing around the screen. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or the casing itself. Once you've loosened the edges, you can lift off the front panel to expose the internal components. The component we are focusing on today is the cracked screen itself. You will see a series of screws holding the screen in place. These are usually Phillips screws. Remove these screws carefully, taking note of where each one came from, as they may differ in size. As you take out the last screw, be sure to support the screen so it doesn't fall. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen from its position. You may need to disconnect a few cables attached to the back of the screen. Use the tweezers to carefully detach these cables without damaging them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the old screen, take your new replacement and connect the cables in the same order you removed them. Once it's securely in place, reattach the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this could crack the new screen. Now, it's time to close up the casing. Align the front panel with the edges of the device and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your HP AIO and check that the new screen is functioning correctly. You should see a clear display without any cracks. To prevent the screen from cracking again, consider investing in a sturdy case or screen protector. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of your device and be mindful when transporting it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.